It's a big day for DMK MP Kanimozhi. She is in court today on her bail plea. In fact, the DMK top brass has already reached Delhi for Kanimozhi's bail hearing. We are joined by reporter Sanket joining us from outside the court. Tavleen also joining us from Kanimozhi's residence. Navika Kumar, political editor, with us, as is Madhav from outside the BJP office in Delhi. First, Sanket, what do we expect in court today?
Well, Deep, we are expecting that around 10:30 is when the court will convene. Of course, all eyes will be on the special 2G court here in the Patiala House Court premises. The reason why is because the DMK is actually expecting and hoping that its MP Kanimozhi could perhaps get some relief, some respite from the special 2G court. Why do they peg their expectations? Because the Apex Court had said that they can apply for bail once the charges are framed, once the framing of charges is complete. Now, while that happened a few days back, Kanimozhi's lawyers have in fact applied for bail and are expecting that today, post 10:30, she could perhaps in fact get some relief from the court. But of course, the final decision resting with the judge of this special 2G court. That is why it is attracting a lot of attention by the DMK members. We have seen T.R. Balu, Tiruchi Siva as well as Vijayan actually enter the 2G court. It is expected that Stalin could also be right here. Kanimozhi's husband along with Kanimozhi's son have also entered the 2G court premises. So all eyes are definitely on what the court eventually decides on the fate of Kanimozhi's bail, because based on this, the other 17 or the 16 accused, including the corporate honchos, could also be applying for bail. So far, the CBI is opposing their bail, but then they are expecting that once Kanimozhi gets bail, their case of applying for bail and getting it could perhaps be a little stronger.
Stay with us, Sanket. Tavleen also with us from outside Kanimozhi's Delhi residence. Now, Tavleen, we know the DMK's entire top brass has arrived in Delhi, hoping that Kanimozhi is going to finally get bail today.
Absolutely. In fact, not only the DMK leaders, apart from the political party members, all the friends, family, all the well-wishers have come to Delhi. In fact, just a while back, around 9:45 a.m., Kanimozhi's husband as well as son, who is here right now, left for Patiala House Court. Apart from that, a lot of members here had, assembled here, and they're also right now waiting with, bated breath for for what the judge finally says. A lot of divine intervention is what the family has been seeking. They have been seeking divine intervention ever since Deep Kanimozhi was sent to jail on 20th May. It's almost been 6 months now, and family is now hoping that that special court of CBI will be making, will be giving bail to Kanimozhi, especially because on 24th October, the CBI did not oppose her bail plea. So in some time from now, as Sanket was telling us, we will know whether it's bail for Kanimozhi or once again will she be going back to jail.
Absolutely, but one party that is looking very, very closely at what happens to Kanimozhi is the BJP. In fact, Madhav joins us from outside the BJP office. Madhav, we have seen the party, in fact, go all in for a synchronized attack on the government, including the allies, on this one issue.
Absolutely. In fact, as far as the BJP is concerned, as one of the opposition parties, really has gone all out, hammer and tongs on the issue of 2G. Really, of course, demanding that all of those against whom there were allegations be investigated and against whom there is evidence be brought to book. And it's not just those who are behind bars at this point of time. 2G is one issue in which even those within government at the very highest levels have been questioned by the BJP, particularly, of course, the role of the Prime Minister being questioned by the BJP as well as that of current Union Home Minister and former Finance Minister Mr. P. Chidambaram. But be that as it may, the entire issue of Kanimozhi's bail is particularly one where it would be interesting to see where the BJP reacts, because just a few months ago we had seen in fact a statement coming out from senior BJP leader Jaswant Singh, who had in fact expressed his regret that MPs like A. Raja and Kanimozhi were behind bars and that they were not being granted bail. Certainly, of course, going diametrically opposite to what the party's line at that point of time was. Now, of course, if and when and if at all the court does in fact think of granting bail at all to Kanimozhi, what would the party's reaction be would certainly be something that would be interesting to watch out for.
Stay with us, Madhav. Navika Kumar, a political editor, also with us. Politically, Navika, also, if Kanimozhi gets bail, that is going to be a very, very significant point in this entire 2G case. Everyone would be watching for that.
Well, it is very clear that the government as well as the opposition looking very closely at what really happens in the courts today. We have heard statements coming in from Law Minister Salman Khurshid just a few days ago, where he clearly said that putting everybody in jail and denying them bail is probably something that will affect even investments in the country. Now, he's looking at the overall big picture. Not only are two big politicians, A. Raja as well as Kanimori, in jail. Also, the way you have to look at this is corporate honchos, several of them now behind bars, whether you talk about Sanjay Chandra of Unitech or whether you talk about the three top officials of Reliance Telecom. Clearly, it has ramifications both on politics and business in the country, and that is why for the government as well as for the opposition, they're looking at this very, very closely. Just 20 days now to go for the winter session of Parliament with fresh disclosures in the 2G spectrum scam. Clearly, which way the legal scenario will unfold and how politics will develop will depend largely on what transpires in court today, because some of these matters also pending in the Supreme Court. So clearly all eyes on what happens in the court on Kanimori's bail today.